Picture this, you just bought your dream SUV. It's shiny, it's stylish, and for the first few weeks, it's perfect. Then one morning you turn the key and nothing. Just a horrible grinding noise and a repair bill that costs more than your down payment. What went wrong? You fell victim to one of the worst engines ever put in a modern vehicle. Today, I'm revealing the 5 SUVs and cars with engines so bad, they should come with a warning label. And trust me, number 2 will shock anyone who's ever shopped for a family car. First up is the Nissan Pathfinder from 2013 to 2016. This is the car that made mechanics rich. Nissan took what was once a reliable SUV and gave it a CVT transmission so bad, owners report complete failures before 100,000 miles. One Pathfinder owner in Texas had his transmission replaced 3 times under warranty. The repair? A cool $4,500 each time. That's more than some people pay in rent for a year. At number 4 we've got the Ford EcoSport. That eco in the name, it stands for economically devastating. The 1.0-liter EcoBoost engine has 2 settings, barely running and completely broken. These things burn oil faster than gas. We're talking adding a quart every 1,000 miles. And when the turbo inevitably fails, that's another $3,000 you'll never see again. One mechanic told me he's seen EcoSports with less than 60,000 miles needing complete engine replacements. Coming in at number 3 is the Jeep Compass. Jeep fans might hate me for this one, but the truth hurts. The 2.4L Tiger Shark engine is more like a Tiger Junk engine. Oil consumption? Check. Random stalling? Check. Electrical issues that make the dashboard light up like a slot machine? Big check. I interviewed a Compass owner who kept a case of oil in his trunk at all times. When your car drinks more oil than your lawnmower, it's time to move on. The silver medal for worst engine goes to the Chevrolet Trax. Chevy took a perfectly good economy car platform and ruined it with a 1.4L turbo that fails more often than New Year's resolutions. Timing chains stretching prematurely, coolant leaks that lead to complete engine failure. This thing has more recalls than a cheap pet toy. One Trax owner in Florida spent $7,000 in repairs in a single year. At that point, you're not owning a car. You're adopting a money pit. But the absolute worst, the king of terrible engines, the Land Rover Discovery. This is the SUV that proves luxury doesn't mean reliable. That sophisticated 3.0L supercharged V6, it's basically a ticking time bomb. Oil leaks that require engine-out repairs, electrical gremlins that turn your dashboard into a Christmas tree, and maintenance costs that'll make your accountant cry. I talked to a Discovery owner who spent $28,000 in repairs over 3 years. That's more than some people spend on college. So, what's the lesson here? Always research before you buy. Check reliability ratings, read owner forums, and for the love of your bank account, avoid these 5 models unless you enjoy making mechanics rich. Now I want to hear from you. Have you owned one of these nightmare vehicles? What was your repair horror story? Drop it in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with anyone you know who's car shopping. You might just save them from financial disaster. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to bad engines, forewarned is forearmed.